Hi everyone, I'm Sandeep Ranjan, and from today onwards, I'm going to guide you with more than 100 free AI tools which you can add in your daily routine and upgrade your skills as per your requirement and creativity. So, welcome you all in the day one of 100 AI tools. So, today I'm going to show you one free AI tool which is very useful for fashion design students or any creative professionals. So the tool name is, you can go to just Google and you can type over here Ideogram, Ideogram. So you can search Ideogram and you will find this particular logo, this particular website. So you have to just click on this and let's see how it works. So first of all, you have to just go to your login section. You can click login. It will ask you to continue with Google. You can continue with Google. Again, it will give you some sort of pop-up. I will select my one sort of Google account and then I will continue, and here you go. So this will show you the interface. This will ask a certain username, so I'm just going to keep this particular username and 07, and I'm just going to have my name over here, that is Sandeep Ranjan, and here I will try to get my user ID with the name Sandeep Ranjan. Okay, it's not available, so I will just make it official, and it's now lengthy. I have to cut it down. 07. Alright, so continue. This is a mandatory option which you have to do. So here I can select for my personal work and I can continue, and then basically here I have to select certain options. So I will select all the options available here apart from others, and then again continue. Now you can see here it is showing you the plan, like what you will get in free, what you will get in the paid plan. So you can select it accordingly. So as of now, I'm going to show you like how it can be used with the free plan. So just come to at the top right hand side, you can see here continue with free plan, and then let's get started. So here this is your just one sort of introduction video about model 4.0. So I will just cross it. Alright, so here is your complete gallery collection from where you can select any sort of image and you can re-edit as per your requirement. And I'm just going to see like how it works. So let's create something. I'm going to just type over here like create a fashion illustration, mostly focusing on Indian heritage with some trending craft on a dress with model. So I'm just going to hit the enter. So let's see what actually it is going to create. There were certain options which I wanted to show you, like it will be giving you certain free credits, so 4 slow credits left. Earlier there was 12, you must have seen, and then whatever you are going to create over here, it will have certain credit at this particular option. Like once the creation is ready, then we can wow. So here you can click on view creation, and then we can see like what actually the result is. This is the fashion illustration. This is so realistic. I haven't changed the settings. This is as per the by default, and it is showing like PS. So basically you can click and edit on your Photoshop as well. So moving to the next. Beautiful. So I think this tool can be used once you are finalized with your topic theme, then you can explore this particular Ideogram AI to create certain realistic fashion illustration, and later on you can edit, re-edit, restructure it in your software. So that's all for the day. Happy learning. Enjoy the day.